We have the Ford Maverick, brand new truck with the BAKFlip MX4. This is a brand new cover. We just installed it in 1 hour while the customer was waiting inside. So this cover is an aluminum, low profile. You can grab a cable and it folds up all the way. You can see by the installation there's no drilling required. It's all clamped on, custom fit, pre-assembled, ready to go. You can use the prop rods on each side and drive with it open. This will hold the cover up in case you need to haul like a small refrigerator, anything that fits back here, you can do that. What's nice is this cover can come completely off with just unscrewing one clamp on each side, and it comes right off. You can also use these straps if you need to see out the back window and keep it partially open. Visit our store today for Ford Maverick bed covers. We have other options besides this one, and we'll take care of you in Phoenix or online truckaccessplus.com.